In these times of uncertainty, a global pandemic, so many have come together to help those on the front line, those risking the most. One couple is printing face masks and face shields, helping thousands of healthcare workers, and they're doing it from their one-bedroom apartment. They join me now, Anika and Jim Miles. Good to see you both. I do want to point out it's from a 3D printer. Anika, whose idea was this?
I think one of our friends posted a picture, a selfie of her on, the front lines at an emergency center in our hometown, and she was wearing a fabric mask, and that's when I brought it up to him, and I was like, this can't be right. Like something's not right. Is there something that we can maybe print for her? And that's how it all started.
And this doesn't take a short while. We're talking hours, Jim. What's involved in it?
It takes about 3 hours to print one of these masks right here. Yep.
And you were in the military and you said, look, I need to do something. Did you feel like it was your duty to help out?
Yeah, I guess, that's just how I've always been. I enjoy helping others and, it's for a good cause.
It certainly is, and I'm sure everyone is so grateful for what you're doing. 3 hours for one mask.
Right.
Nika, what has the response been?
Lots of people are really appreciative. Some people were using fabric masks, so this provides, some sort of a seal. So, the response has been really good.
And Anika, I know this is a difficult time for you. You were furloughed from your job, but you decided not to sit there and wallow in your own sorrow, so to speak, to take action and do something.
Mm-hmm. It definitely kept me busy.
So what's involved in this? If someone's saying, wait a minute, a 3D printer, I don't have one. What's involved in the 3-hour process, Anika?
I'm
taking notes.
It's a better question for Jim because he's the 3D printer genius.
Sure, Jim, go ahead.
Yeah, it's really simple. I have the 3D model, and I just pretty much upload it to these 3D printers and hit print. And 3 hours later, you got one of these masks. And then from there, we just go into assembling all the elastics, the weather stripping, and cutting the. We have MERV 13 rated filters we're using, so.
Yeah.
That's a lot.
Simple for Jim and Anika, not so much for the others, but you know what, for an amazing cause. And I want to say thank you to both of you. Appreciate your time.
Yeah,
thank you. Thanks for having us.
Thanks.